Hi everyone, this is Sierra. This is my first time doing a video. I've been doing hair since I've been 11 years old, but I'm gonna try this new hair, well not new, but new to me. It's called KIMA braids, Ocean Wave, and it's 20 inches. Well, as you see, I have some salt and pepper in the front of my head. I don't know if you can get a good visual. And so I decided to buy the gray olive. This is the brand hair that I'm using. Okay, 20 inches. So I have the gray. And then also I'm going to do 1B in that brand. And this is a triple pack. And I got it for a really good deal. For one of these is $14 at the beauty supplies, but the gray is $10. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna do like 3 black and 3 gray, and I'm gonna continue that on in my head. So everybody stay tuned. So the hook that you're gonna need is a latch hook. And it looks like this. Okay, and that's what you're gonna crochet the hair in with. And then I start using this sticky sling. This stuff is amazing. My edges never stay put, but this actually helps. It says it helps with braiding, locking, and also edge gel, and it's ultra extreme hold. If you can see it. And so what I'm about to do is I'm about to start braiding my hair. I'm going to do about maybe 12 braids to my head. And then I'm going to add a little bit of hair just to kind of support the braid so that way it doesn't slip over time. So let's get to it. So I'm halfway through my hair. I was going to show you my braid pattern that I'm doing. Right here, I have 4 here. And I have 2 connecting in the front, and then in the back I have just 1. When it comes to this, the reason why I'm doing this is so that way the braids are close and you don't really see the scalp in the front, and it looks more natural. That's what I'm going for. Plus, always making sure that if you can, try to get close as possible. Not too close, give yourself some room, but try to get a little close as possible to the front, so that way your braids don't slip when you put them in. It actually will hold in place. And usually this hairstyle, when I do it, it lasts about almost 2 months. You can wash them, you can get in, you can get in a pool with them. It's a great summertime style. You do have to do a little maintaining, but I'll show you at the end. It's pretty easy and straightforward. But again, just wanted to show you my pattern. Okay, and so 4 straight back, 2 connected stopping here, and then 1 going back. And then I also, on this first braid, I braided it just around the perimeter as well as the nape of my neck. I kind of went across, so that way if I want to pull it up, I can, and you can't see the braids in the back. But anyway, just stay tuned. So this is the gray. I just took it out the pack, and the color on the pack is gray olive. I have to say, this hair is super soft. I have purchased gray hair before, and I don't know if anybody else can agree with me. Sometimes it's kind of tough, but this is like, oh my gosh, like look at that. Like it's super soft and very like bouncy. When it comes to it, it's not stiff. I guess that's the word I want to use. It's not stiff, but it is, however, very shiny, and it looks pretty natural. I can't wait to put this in. So stay tuned. So I just put in just 3 so you can just see the length of it. It is super long. It is almost by my belly button. I know that some love long hair. However, I am not a long hair person, so I will be definitely cutting this back. This is the 1B that I'm about to install as well. So remember, in the beginning, I said I was gonna mix them. I'm gonna do 3 of these, and then 4 black, and then 3, then 4 black, and so forth and so on. That way I can get that salt and pepper mixture throughout my hair, because my natural hair is salt and pepper. I grayed when I was 15 years old. And so I've been dyeing it, and I just decided I don't want to dye it anymore. And I actually like when it's got that blend now. I've gotten a lot of compliments on wearing salt and pepper hair. So, and right now it's the trend. So this is the 1B. Again, same exact feel as the gray. That never happens when I purchase hair, I'm telling you. The gray is always very tough, and then the darker hair is always pretty soft. At this moment, I mean, maybe it's too soon, but so far I'm loving the way it feels. Again, very shiny, and so I'm about to go ahead and install. All right. Okay, so I am, I guess, 3/4 of the way. I still have quite a bit to go, but this is how it's looking. So I decided to change it up a little bit. You remember in the beginning I said I was gonna do 4 black and 3 gray. Well, when I was doing that, it was given, which I'm not gonna redo them, I just know next time, but it was given that stripe pattern, and I didn't want that. I wanted to kind of blend a little bit more. So what you see is on top, you see it's giving that blend more or less, than you can definitely distinguish the black and then the gray. So what I did, I changed it up. I would do 1 black, 1 gray, 1 black, and then I would do 2 black, 1 gray, and 1 black. And then that gave this more of a blended feel to the hair. I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't know if you can see the blend. But again, like I said, super long. I will be cutting it. I know I said it a few times. It's just too hot for me outside to have it this long. But so far, so good. It's very soft. It looks real. I mean, it's very nice. So let me keep getting to it. Hey everyone, this is Sierra. I finished my hair about a week ago. I didn't get back to you all. I just started going. And so this has been in my head now a week. And I'm kind of glad, because I can kind of give you a review on the hair at the same time as installing it. This hair is super soft. It came out very nicely. Again, remember the color in the beginning was the gray olive and the 1B. I mixed them both. I did, at first I was gonna do 3 gray, 3 brown, but then I decided to do 2 black, then 1 gray, then 2 black, then 1 gray, and that way I can kind of get a little bit of highlights going throughout my head with the gray. Now my natural hair is salt and pepper, and so I have learned just to accept it and wear it. I've had tons and tons of compliments on my hair since it has been done. Now, being that it's been in a week, I have not had any tangling. I know that's really weird with some of this synthetic hair, but this hair is standing up to the test of time. It's saying that it's free of tangle free, and I have to be honest, so far so good. What I do at night too is I take 2 of these and I twist them on both sides of my hair, and then I let them loose in the morning, and I have no issues with the hair. Like I said, it's super soft. Try to give you a close up a little bit of it. I absolutely and simply love the hair. Let me know what you think in your comments below. And remember, I did do like 12 small braids up top in the beginning of the video. But so far, so good. Again, remember I installed it a week ago, and this is still how it looks today. So let me know what you think in your comments. And I hope I helped you when it comes to possibly picking out the hair that you can use. This is the Ocean Wave hair. But anyway, you all lovely ladies, have a good day.